Well, we're getting ready to go look at Christmas lights. Here's Debbie in her red cashmere scarf and Jewel in her red Christmas sweater. They're ready to go. Here's Patty in her new look.
Trying so hard to pose.
Posing. But she does look pretty cute. And she has on her new birthday shoes.
At least she didn't.
And her gift she bought herself.
Now turn it to the
And then here's Carol
Hey, that's good.
modeling a turquoise and brown outfit. Okay. And here's all the skin plant.
Yeah, skin plant. Let me go get those gifts over here. Throw them in the trash.
You're so hateful. Come on, that's enough.
Okay, you take her. She's heavy. Just reach out.
I don't know how to make it stop. Turned off.
I don't know. You should
Well,
just press the red.